Good afternoon, YouTubers. I got this generator from a friend of a friend. Apparently the guy, and this pull starter was off. The one hole in the housing behind here was elongated, and there was a stuck rivet over here. I had to drill that out. And the guy gave up on the machine after putting a rebuilt carburetor in here. But I'm not giving up on it. And what I had to do over here where the hole was long, I had to get a piece of duct tape, cut a little V-notch in it, and stick that washer on behind here to catch the pop rivet. But that was the only hole I had to do, and I should have showed you that. But these 3/6, whatever, yeah, it's 3/16 long. I was going to try sticking one of these screws in here, but that would have busted on the cooling fin. And since it originally had rivets in there, I figured I'd go with it. And these are really a son of a gun to squeeze them in there. I had to use all my strength. Oh boy. There it's going. That's a Jesus, Mary, and Joseph deal. Oh, man. Pray for all the help you can get on this one. Oh, come on. Oh, got it. Whew. That's too much like work for this retired man. I drained all the old gas. I think it didn't start because the guy had some old shitty gas in there. And I didn't put any new gas in it. I'm going to take it over to a guy that works on motors. I just want to see if it turns without interfering. Yeah, that turns without interfering. Okay, it's got compression. We'll call that a partial success. God bless the YouTubers.